What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you have for breakfast?
I normally have egg on toast and a glass of orange juice.
Do you have a shower in the morning?
Yes, I always have a shower every morning.
What else do you do in the morning?
Well, I get up, I have a shower and brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast and I normally listen to the radio in the mornings.
What time do you start work?
I work in the afternoons, so I start work at 3 o'clock.
What do you have for lunch?
I like cheese, so I normally have a cheese and onion sandwich for lunch.
What time do you have dinner?
Well, I finish work at 7 o'clock, so I normally have dinner at about 7:30.
What do you normally have?
I like to have pasta with tuna and cheese.
And what else do you do in the evening?
I sometimes watch television or read a book.
How often do you watch TV?
I watch TV every night, but only for 1 hour.
When do you spend time with your family?
I usually spend time with my family at weekends because I'm not working and I have more free time.
And what time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10:30.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.